Whiteboard and animated videos have been proven to fascinate and captivate viewers' attention and boost conversions. Animatron is a cloud-based video marketing platform that enables organizations to create, host, and share animated videos via a unified portal. The software enables users to personalize their videos by using adjustable templates and adding features such as logos, titles, text, photos, and decorations. Animatron allows teams to import media from multiple sources and collaborate with internal and external stakeholders in real time on multiple projects. It includes two parts, which are the wave.video and the Animatron Studio. The wave.video allows designers to make and publish videos with an integrated video player. Users can also create characters, props, and areas using the integrated drag-and-drop visual editor. The Animatron Studio enables users to create explainer videos, banners, animations, presentations, and whiteboard animation-style content. These animations can help boost marketing, customer engagement, and business revenue. With Animatron Studio, users can create whiteboard presentations and access the projects over the cloud at any time. In addition, users can also create animated banners for their businesses by choosing from thousands of royalty-free video clips and pre-animated sets to boost sales and revenue. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer engagement and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Animatron review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Animatron. What does Animatron really do? Animatron is an easy-to-use and powerful animation tool that enables users to create stunning animations and videos that allow for universal playback on desktop computers and mobile devices. It features a free marketplace with hundreds of pre-animated characters, props, and backgrounds that allow creating animations with a simple drag and drop. Animatron is a complete package to turn your imagination into reality in the form of animation. It is the product of choice for marketing professionals, designers, content creators, business agencies, and educators who want to create professional videos, presentations, and animations easily with zero technical skill. Benefits and key features of Animatron. 1. Easy-to-use interface. With Animatron, you can customize and create professional videos easily with no prior animation or video editing experience. 2. Free characters and backgrounds. Animatron offers a large number of free infographic icons, professional designs, and animated sets that let you create what you want with just a single click. 3. Easy-to-use thumbnail maker. Animatron allows for quick and easy creation of video thumbnails. This will increase your click-through rate, viewers' engagement, and overall conversion rate. 4. AI Animatron voiceover. Animatron's built-in voiceover sounds naturally human and reads your script perfectly, just the way you want it. This can be used for presentations, teaching videos, storytelling videos, and much more. 5. A safe and secure video hosting service. Animatron provides businesses with a safe cloud environment for video marketing processes. It allows for quick and easy publishing of video content, as well as full control of the viewing experience of customers. 6. Improves social media marketing performance. Animatron improves social media marketing performance by increasing engagement on all social media channels with attractive, high-quality videos. The tool also makes it easier to adjust or scale videos to fit all social media platforms. 7. Impressive importing and customization capabilities. Animatron allows users to import logos, custom fonts, and other digital assets to create stunning and professional contents. You can also import and add images to further customize your contents in various formats. Animatron's pricing and plans. Animatron's two main products have different pricing and plans for individuals and agencies. The free trial options for both products allow you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. Animatron's wave.video has 3 paid plans, which include the streamer, creator, and business packages. Animatron Studio, on the other hand, has 2 paid plan options, which include the Pro and Business plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers, unlimited resources, and premium support. How to use Animatron. Visit the Animatron website with the link in the description below. Select the animation mode. Select the characters and choose the object. Choose the direction you want the object to move. Select the time you wish your thing to move or stop. Your simple animation will then be ready in a few seconds. Pros: easy to use, template-driven animation and video creator. Variety of backgrounds, characters, and sets. Import video clips, images, and music with simple drag and drop. Large stock library including images, clips, and sounds. Royalty-free audio clips ranging from symphonies and piano tracks to rock ballads. Resize projects and ads to fit different social platforms. Easily share animations and videos on any social media platform. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: unlimited stock and premium support are only offered in the paid plans. Conclusion: Animatron offers an impressive combo of online video and animation solutions with wave.video and Animatron Studio. Both packages include robust and sophisticated tools for video creation, editing, and distribution that an individual or company agency would require to maximize their video marketing efforts. Animatron can be used to create animated videos in a variety of formats, covering contents ranging from business to education to social media contents. It provides an interface that can be tailored to your needs, with simple layouts and tools that are not commonly found in rival programs and a reasonable content library. Unlike other online animation makers, Animatron offers advanced drawing tools and allows animating own drawings and other objects. It uses cutting-edge HTML5 technology, so videos created in Animatron can be viewed on any device and browser. Animatron also offers endless customization. Even ready-to-use animated characters and props can be customized. Animatron is ready to help you achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its features to optimize your marketing efforts and easily take your business to new heights. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Animatron. If you enjoyed this Animatron review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.